Hey everyone, Shift here. Got you guys on the dome cam today. And today I'm going to be putting on a 4K dash cam onto the RSX. This is a dash cam I have for it. It's a King Slim. It's supposed to be 4K, but I don't know about the 4K because I don't know about the 4K because I have one of these on the STI and it does not look 4K in my opinion, because right now I'm recording in 4K and it looks nothing like it. It looks more like 1080p. I mean, it looks good, it's not bad, but I don't think it's 4K. So here are some of the specs this one has. The loop recording is nice, the motion detection, it starts right up as soon as you start the car. Yeah, I think it's pretty basic dash cam, nothing really special. So let me open it, see what it comes with. So there's the camera. Here's the instructions. Set a protective film. This is what glues on there. We'll need that. The power cord. Some 3M stuff. And this is the tool you use to tuck in the wire in between the plastics here. So we'll use that. And the camera. So yeah, you got the instructions, the power cord, so let's put the plastic little glue tab on. It's pretty sticky. I want to remove the, we'll do that later when I'm ready to glue it on. Oh yeah, let's take a look at the SD card. The power plug goes there, on and off button. Alright, after fighting to peel the little glue tab off, I got it off. So we'll mount it here. I think it'd be a good spot. You want to hold it for about maybe 10-15 seconds. Should be it. So now getting the power cord, and I'm gonna see how I want to run it. I'm gonna see how we're gonna run this. Don't throw this away in case you need in case it's a lot of wire. You want to try and keep some of it under somewhere instead of just having it all loose. So this plugs into your cigarette socket, and I'll probably tuck it in like this up here. Probably through here, and then straight there. Oh man, I think I got it crooked, but I'll fix that. Alright everyone, so the 4K cam is in. Sorry I couldn't get everything. The GoPro ended up overheating, so I had to set it down for a little bit. But let me give you guys a rundown of everything I did. So wire is just tucked in there, and it goes through the pillar. I put it underneath this, so the cable's tucked in here. I haven't cleaned this up, but I don't know, it doesn't really pop out that much. And with the door closed, you probably won't even be able to see it. And it's just tucked in through the weather strip. Underneath here, I ended up using these instead of trying to tuck it in through the carpet. It came with them, so it's pretty cool. Little neat glue strips. I put one underneath each of the handles right here for the glove compartment. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. But yeah, I put them in there, so wire just goes in there, goes over it like so, and then you just close it and it'll hold it for you. So that saved me quite a bit of time. And then right now I'm just finishing it up, tucking it under here. Looking at it now, it might get in the way of at least this cup holder. I'll probably still be able to have this one. I don't think it'll get in the way of the purge or the nitrous kit. But yeah, let me finish it up, and I guess I'll show you how it looks like off there. Alright guys, camera is in. I'm gonna have to tuck this in a little, but pretty much that's how it's supposed to fit. I don't know, maybe hopefully I can change this side and mount it up so I can run the wire out of the way, because I don't really like that. Yeah, everything's in. And yeah, let me show you guys from the outside how it looks. So yeah, that's going to be the install of the 4K dash cam in the RSX. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned how you install one. And if you guys did, please leave a like in the video, subscribe if you like the videos I make. I'm having a lot of fun making them, so I'm probably gonna keep making them. I really want to get back into racing this car. It's probably been already like 6 months, 6-7 months, so I'm really kind of pushing on that. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, please leave a like, comment if you guys have any questions, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.